Dear visitors, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to my humble factory.
Welcome, my friends. Welcome to my chocolate factory.
Whoa! Where are we?
Welcome. It's nice to have you here. I'm so glad you could come.
I'm Violet Purigard.
I'm Veruga Salt.
I'm Augustus Gloop.
I'm Mike TV.
And I'm Charlie.
This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it. I think you will.
Come with me and you'll be in a world of pure imagination.
They entered the room no one has ever seen before. It's beautiful.
Do you like my meadow? Try some of my grass. Please have a blade. Please do. It's so delectable and so darn good looking.
Whoa! It's a chocolate river.
Augustus had quietly sneaked down to the edge of the river. Help! I'm drowning! Help! I'm drowning! I'm drowning!
Augustus Gloop, the great bakery nincompoop. Augustus Gloop, so big and vile, so greedy, foul, and infantile.
Welcome to my inventing room. This is the most amazing and sensational gum in the whole universe. Cause this gum is a full 3-course dinner all by itself.
It sounds like my kind of gum.
Violet, I'd rather you didn't.
Blueberry pie and ice cream?
Oh no, she's turning blue. She's like a blueberry now.
Listen close, listen hard. Little Violet Beauregard, this gentle girl, she sees the road. Chewing, 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 chewing.
Squirrels!
These squirrels are specially trained to get the nuts out of shells.
I want a squirrel.
They're not for sale.
If you won't get me a squirrel, I'll get one myself.
Little girl, don't touch those squirrels' nuts. It will make him crazy. Oh no! They're taking her to the garbage chute.
Daddy!
Veruga Salt, the little brute, has just gone down the garbage chute, and she will meet as she descends a rather different set of friends. A rather different.
This is the testing room for my very latest and greatest invention, television chocolate. I would send a bar of chocolate to the TV. How about people? Well, why would I want to send a person? They don't taste very good at all.
No, you're an idiot, but I'm not.
Mike ran into the TV and disappeared.
The most important thing that we've ever learned, the most important thing we've learned as far as children are concerned, is never let them near the television set.
On with the tour. There's still so much left to see. Now, how many children are left?
Mr. Wonka, Charlie's the only one left now.
You mean, you're the only one?
Yes!
You won! You did it! You did it! I knew you would. The factory is yours. Charlie, you can move in immediately. Congratulations!
Yay!